Combining a sleek, low-profile Class 1 amber beacon and a 97 decibel backup alarm into an all-in-one unit is a first of its kind. With its cutting-edge design and innovative features, Trucks' TLED W13 will ensure that you will be seen and heard. This permanent mount beacon with backup alarm is also compatible to sync with other Trucks Class 1 warning lights, creating a unified look for your vehicle. After talking with many drivers and installers to find out what's missing, Trucks offers new technology at no additional cost. Here are some of their game-changing features. Product compatibility. Mix and match up to 10 permanent beacons, light bars, and directional LEDs. Multi-pattern lock. Automatically lock multiple lights to the same pattern using one master light. Sync and alternating modes. Easily switch between two modes without rewiring or reprogramming, eliminating downtime in the field. Program 3 favorites. Save and cycle to your favorites without having to scroll through countless patterns. Low power mode, steady on, last pattern recall. And let's not forget an industry-leading 36 flash patterns. It's time to protect and project with Trucks' Class 1 LED warning lights. For more information on Trucks' Class 1 game-changing features, visit our website at trucksaccessories.com.